beyond its intriguing name and unique appearance. This tropical fruit offers a tantalizing array of health benefits. Studies have shown that this fruit fights cancer cells, and the leaves from the tree contains powerful antioxidants as well. It is also important to note that you should take this fruit in moderation because it is very powerful. Let me whisk you away on a journey of discovery with its benefits. 1. Immune system booster. Soursop is like a superhero for your immune system. Bursting with vitamin C, it fortifies your body's defenses, helping you ward off illnesses and makes you stay vibrant. 2. Cellular health guardian. Soursop contains antioxidants like vitamin A and flavonoids which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This potent defense can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall well-being. 3. Digestive delight. If digestion feels like a struggle, Soursop can be your ally. Its fiber content supports healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps your gut humming with happiness. 4. Heart health booster. Soursop's potassium content helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reducing strain on your heart. Its natural compounds also promote the dilation of blood vessels, supporting cardiovascular health. 5. Relieves stress and mood uplifter. This tropical gem contains serotonin precursors, which can positively impact your mood. Including Soursop in your diet may help alleviate stress, anxiety, and even enhance your sense of well-being. 6. Fights inflammation. Soursop's natural anti-inflammatory properties make it a go-to for easing pain and reducing inflammation. It can be particularly beneficial for conditions like arthritis and joint discomfort. 7. Beautifies skin. Soursop isn't just delicious, it's a treat for your skin too. Its antioxidants and vitamin C support collagen production, contributing to healthy, youthful-looking skin. 8. Nervous system support. The vitamin B6 in Soursop plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. It supports brain function, aids in neurotransmitter production, and contributes to overall cognitive health. 9. Energy booster. Feeling low on energy. Soursop's natural sugars, coupled with its nutrient content, provide a sustainable energy source that keeps you feeling revitalized throughout the day. 10. Antiparasitic potential. Some studies suggest that Soursop may have antiparasitic properties, making it a potential natural remedy for certain types of parasites. Studies have also shown that Soursop also fights infections, boosts kidney and liver health, aids diabetes treatments, and improves respiratory health. This fruit is just a major powerhouse, fully loaded with antioxidants and disease-fighting army. But remember to take it in moderation because it is a very powerful fruit. So, my friend, let the allure of Soursop entice you to embrace its health-boosting magic. Whether enjoyed as a refreshing fruit or incorporated into beverages and dishes, Soursop is a tropical delight that offers a journey of wellness and vitality. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been very helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel for more educative videos. Thank you and have a Soursop-filled day.